Have you ever wondered why virtual reality, despite its promising potential, doesn't seem to be taking off as expected? Picture, if you will, a world where you can traverse the vast landscapes of Mars, dive beneath the ocean's surface, or even sit front row at a concert, all from the comfort of your living room. That's the tantalizing promise of virtual reality. A technology that could revolutionize the way we interact with digital content. It's a concept that has been around for decades, and yet it hasn't quite managed to become a mainstay in our everyday lives. Heralded as the next big thing, virtual reality was expected to change the landscape of gaming, education, and even social interaction. It was supposed to provide us with an immersive experience like no other, but the reality, it seems, is a little less glamorous. Unfortunately, despite the high hopes, virtual reality is facing some significant challenges. So, what exactly are these problems that are holding back virtual reality? Let's dive right into it. One of the most significant barriers to widespread adoption of virtual reality, or VR, has been its high cost. The hardware required for a truly immersive VR experience can run into hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. This includes not just the VR headset itself, but also a high-performance computer or game console to run the VR software. Even at the lower end of the market, the cost of entry is still prohibitive for many potential users. And then there's the issue of content. While there's no shortage of VR tech demos and short experiences, there's a distinct lack of full-length, high-quality VR games and other types of long-form content. This is a classic chicken and egg problem. Developers are hesitant to invest in creating VR content until there's a large enough user base to justify the cost. Yet many potential users are waiting for more content before they're willing to invest in VR hardware. Moreover, VR technology is still in its infancy and has a number of technical issues that need to be ironed out. One of the most common complaints from users is physical discomfort. This can range from minor annoyances like the weight of the headset to more serious issues like motion sickness. This is due to the disconnect between what your eyes are seeing in the virtual world and what your body is experiencing in the real world. In addition to physical discomfort, there's also the problem of social isolation. While VR can be a fun and immersive experience, it's also a solitary one. When you're in a virtual world, you're cut off from the real world around you. This can make VR a hard sell for people who value social interaction in their gaming or entertainment experiences. And finally, there's the issue of space. To get the most out of a VR experience, you need a relatively large, open area where you can move around freely. This is a luxury that not everyone has. Even if you do have the space, the need to rearrange furniture or clear out an area every time you want to use your VR headset can be a major hassle. In summary, while virtual reality offers a lot of potential, it also faces significant challenges. High costs, lack of content, physical discomfort, social isolation, and space requirements are all issues that are currently holding back VR from reaching its full potential. But don't despair. These problems are not insurmountable. As with any new technology, there will be growing pains and obstacles to overcome. The key is to keep innovating and pushing forward. These are just a few of the challenges that need to be addressed for virtual reality to reach its full potential. And with that, let's move on to the next part of our discussion. Potential solutions for these problems. Stay tuned. Before we continue, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're always exploring fascinating topics like this, and your support helps us keep these discussions going. Now, let's delve into the potential solutions to these problems. So how can we solve these problems and help virtual reality reach its full potential? Let's delve into the potential solutions that might just be the key to unlocking the vast potential of virtual reality. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room: the cost of hardware. High prices of VR devices have been a major roadblock in the mass adoption of this technology. However, the future looks promising. Tech companies worldwide are investing heavily in research and development to create more affordable hardware. They're focusing on finding cost-effective components and efficient manufacturing processes that can bring down the price tag without compromising on the quality of the VR experience. The goal is to make virtual reality a household name, accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy or the affluent. But affordable hardware alone will not be enough. We also need more engaging content to draw in users. Currently, a majority of VR content revolves around gaming. While this is fantastic for gamers, it leaves a large chunk of potential users out in the cold. Hence, diversifying the range of content is crucial. Imagine stepping into a virtual art gallery, learning a new skill in an immersive VR classroom, or even virtually attending a live concert, all from the comfort of your home. Creators and developers are working tirelessly to make this a reality, expanding the boundaries of what's possible in a virtual world. Another significant aspect that needs addressing is user comfort. Today's VR headsets are often bulky, tethered, and can cause discomfort during prolonged use. But don't lose hope just yet. Innovators are exploring lighter materials and ergonomic designs to make headsets more comfortable. Wireless technologies are being developed to eliminate the cumbersome cords. Eye-tracking technologies are on the horizon that could reduce motion sickness, a common complaint among VR users. Moreover, the user interface and interaction within the virtual world need to be more intuitive. Gestural controls, haptic feedback, and voice commands are being improved to make the VR experience more natural and less disjointed. Let's not forget about the potential of augmented reality or AR, which overlays digital information onto the real world. AR could be a stepping stone towards VR, allowing users to gradually acclimate to immersive technologies. Tech giants are already blending AR and VR to create mixed reality experiences, providing users with the best of both worlds. Finally, it's important to remember that virtual reality is not a standalone technology. It's part of a larger digital ecosystem that includes artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and 5G connectivity. The convergence of these technologies could be the game changer that propels VR into the mainstream. These solutions, if implemented correctly, could help virtual reality finally take off. So, let's keep our fingers crossed and our VR headsets ready. The future of virtual reality might just be around the corner. To sum up, virtual reality is facing a number of challenges, but there are also potential solutions on the horizon. We've delved deep into the realms of virtual reality, unmasking the issues that are hindering its progress. The high cost of equipment, lack of compelling content, and the physical discomfort it can cause all pose significant barriers to mainstream adoption. Yet it's important not to lose sight of the bigger picture. Virtual reality isn't just about gaming or entertainment, it's about creating new worlds, new experiences, and opening the door to countless possibilities. The potential applications in education, healthcare, and even in the workplace are immense. In the face of these issues, potential solutions are emerging. Technological advancements are gradually reducing the cost of VR equipment, making it more accessible to everyone. Developers are also working tirelessly to create more engaging and immersive content. Likewise, research is being conducted to address the physical discomfort associated with prolonged VR usage. The future of virtual reality is not set in stone. It's a dynamic field, constantly evolving and adapting to overcome its challenges. It's a technology that's still in its infancy, and like a child learning to walk, it will stumble and fall. But with each fall, it learns, adapts, and gets back up stronger than before. It's clear that the journey of virtual reality is far from over. It's a challenging road ahead, but the potential rewards are immense. Let's not forget the incredible opportunities that virtual reality can unlock. Only time will tell if these solutions can help virtual reality overcome its challenges and become the game changer it was always meant to be. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. Your time and attention mean the world to us. It's a vast tech universe out there, and together we'll continue to navigate its complexities. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest explorations. You wouldn't want to miss our next deep dive into another fascinating tech topic, would you?